All right, Daddy Jack's Cook Water Blues here. It's a Keto Fest here.
Hey, that's me.
Literally, Carl is my friend Carl Franklin here in London. Went on a keto diet. He reversed his diabetes.
Lost about 80 pounds.
Lost 80 pounds.
Blood pressure normalized. Fatty liver gone. Inflammation gone.
Yeah.
Aches and pains. Just
Turn
gone.
your life around.
Turn my life around.
So I'm kind of trying to go the same way. Kind of easing into it, low carb at least, and doing what I can do. So
what I like about Jack's, he's not afraid to cook with fat, which is a critical ingredient on the keto diet.
Yeah, you know. So I'm gonna do a salt and pepper. We're doing pork. They call it a Rahmschnitzel in Austria. I was the chef of a Swiss Austrian restaurant in Dallas called the Belvedere, and this is one of our. You know, normally we flour it, but we're gonna do this dish without flour it. I don't want my skillet super hot, because it'll shock the meat. So we'll just
some nice brown butter in there.
A little bit of brown butter. That's right, Carl.
Yeah.
And as you say, I don't have the heat on super hot.
You pound that out with a hammer, Jack?
Yeah, pounded it out. Put a little bit of leek in there. You see any capers? What they call mise en place. They call that mise en place, man. It's supposed to have everything in its place.
It's not misplaced. Mise en. So I noticed that you put the pork like on top of the leeks.
Yeah.
So that protects the pork and
kind of makes the leeks. You know, cook underneath.
Right. Nice. So what was that you just added?
A little bit of white wine.
Okay. Heavy cream.
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be delicious.
We'll turn this fire down just a little bit until our. We'll have to adjust. I think I didn't add much salt and pepper because.
You can always add that.
People say those. See, I like the leeks like that, but some of the fans might say overcooked. Okay, thank you. No, you were the best. Okay.
The fastest ever went to the store.
So we'll use one of these plates here. You want to grab a knife and fork, Carl?
Sure.
With that nice, it kind of like just browned the pork a little bit, but then kind of poached it. Poach the rest of it. Try the sauce. We're gonna still cook it down. Hold on, Carl.
Yeah. Oh, that looks beautiful. So you try to reduce that a little bit, concentrate all the flavor in it.
I added a little bit more wine.
Yeah.
So get the flavor of it.
Simple.
Oh yeah, very simple.
Yeah. What's not to love about butter and heavy cream?
Yep, no guilt.
Nope, not at all.
Then we'll put
health food.
secret recipe there. A little green onion.
Boom.
Okay. Carl, always extra sauce.
Yeah, I know it.
Do you mind those pepper flakes?
Nope, I don't mind that.
Caramelized.
Yep.
I don't like to call them burnt. I like to call them caramelized.
That's what they are, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh.
So, on the keto program, this is a pork loin with a Rahmschnitzel, they call it.
Perfect cook on that.
It's gonna be hot, so.
Perfect amount of seasoning. Perfect.
Good?
Yeah. The heat. It's just great.
That sauce over a nice ribeye also will go.
Oh yeah.
That sauce over chicken,
Well done.
you name it. Lamb,
Beautiful.
it's all good. One more bite. I want to see one more bite, proof in the pudding.
No problem.
You got a fork there, Metal, for me?
Yes.
I'd love to try it. No. No.
Got a little tart from the wine, a little bite from those capers, the salt, and the butter, and the cream. Rich.
Yeah, so
Beautiful.
Carl's got a festival here every year.
That's right.
That's what, third year?
Yeah, we
year in a
just
row?
did it our third year.
And they come from
July.
many parts of the world.
That's right.
Where they come from? Australia?
Yeah, Australia, England, all over the U.S. Also, I have a podcast called 2 Keto Dudes, the number 2, Keto Dudes. Very popular. This is so good, Jack.
Kind of fork tender, right, Carl?
Yeah. Yep. Absolutely spectacular. I can't stop eating it.
Carl also came up with some keto pasta, right?
Yeah.
Keto pasta,
Yes,
you developed the recipe.
You can get it at Bazoodles, BZOODLES.com.
Zoodles. He also did for Keto Fest a cheese pizza crust.
Yep. Called Fathead Pizza.
Fathead pizza. So, you know what? If you got diabetes, reverse it. You know what a wonderful thing, and it's known to, it's. For me, it's a little hard to stay out of it, but I'm going to give it my best shot because health-wise, the doctor says they're going to make some changes.
It's unintuitive to eat more fat and salt and get healthy, but the key is cutting out the sugar and starch. You do that, your body can heal itself.
Gluten, no gluten.
Yeah, gluten is in wheat, so it's
gluten in wheat.
Yeah.
And by the way, Carl's a fantastic musician. He's got the Franklin Brothers Band, a 10, 11-piece band. One of the best bands going. He's just a real asset here in New London. He's just very accomplished.
And I'm learning how to play the schnitzel right now.
Hey, guys, go with blues. Peltier on camera. Peltier and Paula Orsini. Peltier will be here pretty soon. To do some cleanup for us.
And do the dishes.
I couldn't do it without you, Glenn. And if you could. I write an article every month in Soundwaves magazine, swaves.com. You can friend us on Daddy Jack's New London. Cooking with the Blues. You can email me or something. I'll do what I can to get back to you. And also
come visit the restaurant.
Yeah, come in the restaurant if you're visiting in town. New London, beautiful piece of the world here. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. There's no excuse not to get here. We've got automobile, trains, planes, boats, by foot if you have to. And what I was gonna say, if you like us on the video and share it, share it with your friends, trying to get the word out. It's all grassroots, no major media. Peace.